Hey everyone, welcome back. Another video. Today I am going to new principle new session about this topic is better to animation. Uh, this is become a better animator or improve your animation skill uh, cartoons animation, like great animation, how to make best animation and which software is best for animation and etc etc. So I have screen share of ChatGPT and 1 minute please. Hello ChatGPT, how are you? Hello ChatGPT, can you hear me?
Hey, I'm doing well. How are you doing today? What's on your mind?
I have already good and
Yep,
today.
loud and clear. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay, so my first question is for you basically. Why do you want to become an animator in 2026?
Hmm. Yeah, tell me more. That's a great question. If I were pursuing animation in 2026, it'd be because animation lets you tell stories that feel universal. It's a mix of art, technology, and emotion. You can create worlds that don't exist or exaggerate reality in fun ways. And honestly, the tools are evolving
Okay, ChatGPT. So my
so
next
fast right now with real time rendering.
1 second, everyone. Okay, ChatGPT. So my next question is for basically you. What type of animation should I create in 2026 of YouTube?
Hmm. Let me just check some current trends. If you want to grow a channel right now, strong directions include 3D storytelling in Blender or Unreal, 2D explainer animations about AI or science, motion graphics for facts or documentary style content, anime inspired shorts, or comedy shorts with original characters. You could also try educational cartoons for kids or gaming animations. Since you've done AI and video editing before, a good niche could be AI powered educational videos that explain tech or history in a fun way. What kind of stories or teaching style do you enjoy?
Okay, ChatGPT. So my next question is for you. How can I make my animation more realistic or flip a clip and with Canva? Okay, ChatGPT. So my next question is for you. Basically, how can I make animation more realistic with Canva and with Canva only?
Checking for you. In Canva, you want to use smooth, subtle movements rather than big, flashy effects, like layering elements and using parallax style motion. You can combine high quality PNGs with gentle zooms and keep timing natural, like 1 to 2 seconds per movement. Use shadows and slight motion blur, and maybe animate backgrounds separately from your characters. If you export at 60 frames per second, it will look a lot smoother. It won't be Pixar, but clean design, careful timing, and subtle motion can look surprisingly polished.
Okay, ChatGPT, I have example to you. Not Fresh channel. This is Indian channel to create Indian creator. This is channel name is Angry Birds. Like to this is Indian creator and it is very best animation to create on animation cartoon like Angry Birds and within Indian language like doing humans like censored to how to create. I like this animation on CapCut. Yeah, always on software, but not paid softwares. Free software is great.
Okay. So for free tools, you can use CapCut Free or Blender for more advanced animation. Let me just check something. You can make cartoon style animations with free software. So you can use Canva or Inkscape for characters, OpenTunes for animating them, and then CapCut to edit, add voice, sound effects, music. If you want a style like Angry Birds, focus on simple shapes, bright colors, exaggerated expressions. You can record voiceovers in your local language, Urdu or Hindi, and add subtitles in CapCut. The key is not the software, it's storytelling, like 4 to 6 second scenes with expressive characters and consistent uploads. That's what audiences will respond to.
Okay, ChatGPT. So my next question is for you. Basically, can you generate a completely animation? No, no, sorry, sorry. What camera angle should I use, and which color it fit on my animation style? Like my animation style, like not your type animations.
Checking for that style, try a mix of wide shots, medium shots, and close ups with bright, playful colors like light yellow, blue, green, red. Keep background simple, use eye level for normal conversations, low angles to make a character feel confident, and high angles when they're scared or embarrassed. Exaggerate expressions, add squash and stretch effects, and use cartoonish sound effects. It doesn't need fancy gear, just good timing and original characters.
Okay, ChatGPT. So thank you very much for and my last message for you in my viewers. Please last message for my viewers.
Checking. You can say something like, "Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep creating, and never stop improving." See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz and Allah Hafiz everyone. Today in this video I have going to show how to make an animator like beginner type like not advanced and you have animation with it experience and I have animating videos like 2D like 2D, so much 2D. So I've create animation like 3 to 4 months on I have created on this work, but I have not really response in this work. I have really on video editing. So thank you very much everyone for watching in this video. I have clearly explained how to make a beginner level animator within CapCut and CapCut is editing tool, but it is how to make on like like ethics how to create and within CapCut and how to make animation like 2D 3D with free of course Blender, Canva and Flippa Clip and this is tool is a free on how to make this animation. So thank you very much everyone. Pakistan Zindabad and next to meet me is nice to meet you of next video. Bye bye, like, subscribe and share on in this video. Bye bye.